Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, gracing us on the stage. Gracing us on the stage, our next performers, a vibrant and talented group.
Okay guys, we're here at the embassy's
Philippine
booth.
Embassy Ireland booth. Ayan.
Yan.
Ganda.
The Philippine Embassy exhibit.
Yes.
Ito yung mga nanalo or na-publish.
Oh, eto
Hello,
si
Miss
ating
Ambassador.
Mahal na Ambassador. Yes. Ang galing po.
Marami lang kaming mga bisita.
Oo.
Tapos nagtatanong about explanations nito.
Wow.
So yun, in-explain ko yung...
Sige nga
So,
po.
sige nga po,
Sige nga po,
paki-
explain nga.
Yan. The best to explain
sabi ko,
is the
These are the
Philippine
Kulintang
Ambassador.
from Lanao.
Yes.
Yeah, from the Marawi and Lanao area. But it's similar to the ones being used also by the Indonesians and the Malaysians and the Bruneians. Yeah. And then that actually these designs predate Islam in the Philippines because
Wow,
they've been
yeah.
there since the 800 AD and even earlier. The same with this one, the vertical.
Yeah, Kulintang.
Yes, eto na.
So yun.
Sample nga po, sample.
Kung di ka namin
Oh,
nadala
yung ano, yung pangpupok ka, tama.
tong, di ba?
Maganda sana yun.
In fact, when I was in Islamabad, my vice consul, who happened to be an Iraunon,
Yeah.
their entire family were among those families, the few and rare families among the Iraunon who have this tradition of passing on the skills of playing that.
yeah.
Because not all of them Maranaos know how to play this. There are certain families who pass the skill from generation to generation. Yeah, it's like a living heritage. Yeah.
Kasi po, really, it will only take just one generation to erase
True.
something.
That's true. Kaya sila, ino-oblige yung several na mga anak to learn the craft. Unfortunately for my consul, he was not one of those. Sabi niya, wala daw siya musical talent. Yeah, but yung isang brother niya saka isang sister, marunong. And then, it's not a matter of just banging on those. Talagang may skill siya. Yeah, that's
Yung
true.
rhythm niya, yeah.
May rhythm. Then, yung may pattern of, yung notes na sinusunod.
Yes, yeah.
Ting-tong, something like that, di ba? Yung
But it's amazing po na-keep nyo ito mismo.
marami pa to. Ito lang
Oo.
actually nadala ko dito. Marami pa ako sa bahay sa Pilipinas.
Sa inyo pong musileo.
Museo. Na nagagalit na ang misis ko. Sabi niya, ano man pinagkokolekta mo na naman? Sabi niya, maawa ka doon sa nagpupunas ng alikabok.
Yan. So ito pong mga arts na nandito, ito po yung mga nanalo or na-feature ninyo
These are among
sa...
those na nag-participate sa yung painting namin competition
Yeah, yeah.
at the embassy. Yun, marami pa actually yan. These
Ito
are
lang
just
yung
some of
parang
those.
na...
Yeah,
Yung
ito
talagang ano sa ano, kumbaga napili doon
Yeah,
sa mga
napili. Oo.
Siyempre sa dami ba naman na nag-submit. So
Pero
ito
iba,
lang.
Naka-exhibit, naka-permanent exhibit sa embassy naman.
Oh,
all the others.
that's
We have to
amazing.
visit again.
We have to go back again, I'd say.
Papunta yata nyo, wala pa to.
Wala
no?
pa po, wala pa masyado, mga empty pa siya.
Yeah, yung iba nasa consular area.
Tapos ito naman, siyempre ang ating national hero si Gat Jose Rizal.
Ang lungkot ng mukha. Kasi dalawa yan, may isa pa kami hindi na yata nadala
Meron
dito.
po siya nakangiti.
Medyo nakangiti naman, oh.
Ito po ba drawing lang yan? Para siyang drawing,
Mukhang
no?
drawing, mukhang yung yung graphite,
Yung, yeah.
o yung charcoal drawing lang, pero detalyado.
Ganyan po kaya talaga katangos yung ilong niya.
Mukhang ganun.
Mukhang-
Kasi yung, ang dami namang nag-survive na mga pictures ni Rizal. Ganun talagang ilong. Ang hindi consistent, yung ano
Yung
niya,
face.
yung kutis.
Yung kutis, kasi may brown sometimes.
Oo.
Oh.
May mga time na makinis, may mga time na parang ano.
Ay,
Siguro
yeah,
ang
correct.
totoo yung hindi talaga makinis.
Baka siguro nga po.
Sa bagay po kasi may lahi po kasi siyang Kastila kaya matangos ang ilong.
Yes, may lahi siyang Kastila, may lahi siyang Chinese. Meron pa yatang lahing Japanese. So doon yata nila nakuha yung features. But of course, basically Malay.
Oh,
Yun.
yeah.
And
Yeah.
even yung name na Rizal, which was adopted by their family after Mercado, di ba?
Yolanda.
Yeah, Realonda, yung sa mother
Talaga
niya.
ano tayo dito, no?
Oh, parang ang meaning noon yung very prosperous rice field, no? But even that word Rizal is being used in Malaysia and Indonesia. Oh.
Yeah.
Of course the meaning is quite different, pero ginagamit nila yon. So, isa daw yan sa sinasabi niyang one of his claims kung bakit ang claim niya, we are Malays. So, he's one of those called na the Great Malays, the Great Malayan.
Yeah. Even po kasi mga yung salamat, na iba na rin po yung meaning sa atin sa
Oo.
Philippines.
It really came
Kumpara
from
doon.
salam, di ba?
Salam,
Yeah.
opo, yun. Pagpunta sa Indonesia, ganun pa rin po yung meaning. Malaysia, Indonesia, salam is
Salamat datang, di ba?
yeah, opo.
Welcome.
Welcome, ganun. Tapos parang sa atin naging thank you na.
Naging thank you na.
Yun.
Nag-evolve yung
Yung
language.
meaning po.
Yan.
That's great, yeah.
Kasi I was in Southeast Asia before, di ba?
Opo.
I was Assistant Secretary for Southeast Asia for 3.5 years. So, every year we have almost several hundreds of meetings. Hindi namin ma-attendan lahat, pero pabalik-balik kami sa mga country na yan. Vietnam, Malaysia, Myanmar, Brunei, Indonesia, different parts of Malaysia and Indonesia, and ang nahalata ko, ang daming commonality sa language. And then, this is the remarkable thing. It's not necessarily na naka-geographically nearer yung Mindanao to Malaysia na pareho yung language ng
Yeah,
dalawa, yung
so-
dialect. Magtataka ka, may mga words ng Malaysia sa bahasa similar to Ilocano, but they're not being
Far.
used by the islands in between.
Yeah.
Meron ding mga words, I come from Bicol, no? Ang daming Bicol words na ginagamit sa Indonesia, but they're not being used in Bisaya and in Mindanao or in Ilocos. So, what comes to your mind is probably yung mga tao,
Manlalakbay talaga po.
manlalakbay,
Yeah.
and they migrate, tapos they settle in the different islands.
Yes.
And it might be two-way. Some yung Filipinos na nag-move to them, to their
Correct
areas.
po. Oh.
Some naman yung from their area nag-settle sa atin. So they brought with them this terminologies.
Terminologies, yeah. Yung sa amin po kasi sa bandang Sulu,
Yeah.
marami talaga doon na magkakahawig sa mga Indonesia,
Yes. Oo.
tapos Malaysia, yung mga ganyan po talagang salita.
Yeah.
Kaya pag punta mo doon sa Malaysia, parang, uy, bakit parang ano to?
Parang pareho, di ba?
parang
Pero-
sa Tausug.
Pero in the end,
ganyan.
hindi pa rin magkaintindihan.
Pero hindi pa rin po
Oo.
magkaintindihan. Pero meron lang mga words.
Oo. Ang naging observation nga namin is this. Kahit maraming similarities between the words of Mindanao and Malaysian, Indonesian, Brunei, mas malapit pa rin yung mga languages or dialects of Mindanao to the other Filipino languages than to them. So talagang parang ito talaga yung area natin, in spite of yung proximity ng Sabah, di ba, ng Kuching, Sarawak.
Actually po, may mga words po tayo na parang Arabic siya.
Yeah, kasama
Tapos
din
yun,
Madala ng-
naging parang Filipino
Yeah.
na yung baka.
Yeah,
Baka
yeah.
is a cow.
Yeah.
Sa Arabic, yun, baka.
Baka din.
Baka din po.
Oo.
Kasi merong sa Quran na Suratul Baqarah.
Yeah.
Parang ganun ba? It sounds like. Even Spanish, yung mga words nila,
Oh yes.
more on nandun po yun. May mga
Because
Arabic
Spain,
din.
Spain was also colonized by the Fatimids, no?
Yeah,
Yung
napunta po.
Opo, kung napanood niyo, meron pong series sa Netflix, yung Ottoman.
Yun, ganda po yun.
Pati yung Ertugrul, pinanood ko yun. Yung sa Ottoman Empire.
Ottoman
di ba?
Empire, ang ganda po yun.
Actually, yung pong Ottoman Empire na, kaya kami talaga nagpunta ng Andalusia sa Spain.
Ganun ba?
Tingnan mo, na-curious kami, ano ba talaga yung nandun sa Southern Spain? And then,
Yeah.
we found out, okay, may similarities pala
Yeah.
talaga yung natin
In fact, even
story.
yung genetics ng Spain, pag tinignan mo pag kinumpare mo ang ordinary Spaniards sa other Europeans, may closer similarity ang some of the Spaniards to the Arabs, di ba?
Yeah, opo.
Yun. Compared to, let's say, the German or the French.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yung ilong, di ba?
Ilong,
Medyo
yeah.
swarthy ng konti. Even yung balabas nila, closer to Muslim Middle East than to the rest of Europe.
Pag pala history ang pag-usapan, talagang buong araw kami ni ambassador nito.
Kaya
Talagang hindi
nga
matatapos.
Kaya
No.
parang ako.
Oh. So ambassador, any message for maybe we can
Hi guys, I'm Crystal Bello. Your health is the foundation of everything you want to build. Your energy, your confidence, your productivity, your mood, your relationships, your future. When your body feels good, everything in your life gets better. And that's why I'm passionate about the Feel Great system. It's a simple, science-backed way to support your metabolism, balance your blood sugar, reduce your cravings, and help you lose weight naturally without depriving yourself or doing extreme diets. Most people don't need more restriction. They need a system that works with their body, not against it. The Feel Great system gives you steady energy, fewer crashes, better digestion, and real sustainable results. So if you're ready to take control of your health and finally feel great in your own skin, contact Mr. and Mrs. K from Ireland. They'll help you get started. Bye.
So, what are you waiting for?
Tara, let's talk!
Okay.
Any message for our kababayans out there with regards to this festival in Ireland, Filipino festival in Ireland?
Okay, the remarkable thing about this is that compared to all our events here in the entire island of Ireland, I think this is among, if not the biggest, the most well attended. And then another thing is that while all the other events are just focused on anniversaries, isolated organizational activities, this is really Philippines in its entire diversity and unity, right? So you have a lot of booths here which show that all of the different colors, the different beautiful elements, and the different heritage of the Philippines from Apari to Mindanao to Tawi-Tawi. See? And then I think it's important that we are not only able to enjoy it, to remember who and what we are, but also to share it with the mainstream Irish society. Kasi alam mo, yung sinabi ko nga sa speech ko kanina, if there's a place where this will be appreciated, it's in Ireland because they really appreciate the arts, music, songs, even yung mga alamat, di ba? Ang ganda ng mga alamat nila. So they can be complementary with what we have. So yun. So,
Thank you
I
po.
hope that we will be able to sustain this. Every year may ganito.
Yes.
And then probably next year, even more regions would be able to participate so that we can have more things to offer. Yeah.
I think, Mr. Ambassador, the next following years will be much, much better because we believe that the Filipinos in Ireland, they are in support of the embassy.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, everybody is glad. Everyone that we talk to, they're happy with the embassy.
We're happy to hear that, but of course, we would even be happier if it's not only the embassy, the different organizations and Filipino peoples here would also be supporting each other. No?
Yes, it's actually
that's what we
it's actually so nice, Ambassador, na all the communities are here.
They
So
come
we are
together.
hoping, so congratulations to the organizers.
Yes,
And
us too.
hopefully talaga we can sustain this event and ito yung parang reunion ng mga Filipinos.
Ito talagang totoong reunion natin because we have here Filipinos from not only all over Ireland but from all over the Philippines who come together with their own heritage, sharing this heritage with everyone. And sabi ko kanina, it's not only our traditional heritage, it includes contemporary pop culture, di ba? Mamaya magkakagulo sila kay Piolo at kay
Arce
Arce
Muñoz.
Muñoz. Ayun. So,
Siyempre.
we have something for everyone, including the young ones, the Gen Z, the kids. And I think, especially for the young Filipinos here, the kids, these are the, kasi wala naman yan sa Philippines most of the time, dito na lalaki yan, no?
That's why, yes.
This will be their education on what is Philippine culture. Ayun.
That's why, Ambassador, mukha lang kaming dalagat binata, pero yung mga anak po namin is naglalagalag dyan.
Ganun na ngayon, di ba?
Opo, kasi sabi namin, we have to bring them and then
Yes,
they'll
yes.
see other Filipinos, na maki-enjoy.
That's true. Yeah.
Yes.
Makisalamuha sa mga kapwa Pilipino and then they should discover things like this na yung mga elements ng ating culture.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Ambassador. So with that, guys, alam na ni Ambassador to ang gagawin natin.
Yes.
Guys, so tara!
Let's talk.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.